May I explain you, sir?
Give me time till tomorrow day afterwards, then I can get
May I explain you, sir?
because in my view,
Because I belongs to that state. I am a
Can there be any doubt, Madam?
no, sir. No, sir. I am very grateful, sir, because
If at all,
because of your
it is
kind
better- If it's
kindness, my humble regards to my Honorable Chief Justice, Mr. Bagchi and Mr. Panchali also, Panchali ji also. Thank you very much. And my humble regards to Mr. Dwivedi and others, my opponent lawyers also. Sir, the problem is, always our lawyers fight for the case and they're fighting from the beginning. We are also. But sir, when everything is finished, when we are not getting justice, when justice is crying behind the door, I quote Rabindranath Tagore, then we thought that we are not getting justice anywhere. So many times I have written 6 letters to Election Commission, including all the details, but no reply, sir. I'm a bonded labor, sir. Maybe I prefer that. I'm a very less important person. I prefer that. Sir, I'm from a common family, but I am not fighting for my party.
Let him know all
Respected
these
Chief Justice, sir,
not that
I am
something imposed.
giving you the example. I can show you some photographs. If you allow me, only I want to submit, sir, I want to lay, because it is not my photograph. All the Bengali leading newspapers, it is reported. You'll be surprised to know the, sir, only, sir, my submission, sir.
No,
Sir, their SIR process is only for deletion, not for inclusion. Mismatch, not only the title, sir. Mismatch, mismap, unplanned. Now suppose a daughter after marriage, she go to the in-laws house. Now why she's changed her title? Why she's using the husband's name, husband's title? That is also mismatch.
it can't be.
Yes, sir, they have done it, sir.
That's why we are.
Now,
That's
sir,
why we.
only I just want to, sir. Number 2, sir, there are some daughters who married and shifted the in-laws house. They are now also just unilaterally deleted. It is just because they shifted their houses. Sir, you will appreciate sometimes some people work some office, they go to they transferred other offices, they work somewhere. Sometimes the poor people, they purchase the flats, they shifted their addresses, but they are the genuine people are staying there. But because of the name of logical discrepancy, now they change the name.
We put
No, instead of logical discrepancy, when you gave order, sir, they have violated, and they say it is the discrepancy mapping. Sir, can they even violate your order? Number 2, sir, we are grateful. Bengal people are so happy that this court gave order that Aadhaar card will be one of the proof documents. But they said no, on with Aadhaar card. Sir, in other state, sir, the domicile certificate is allowed. Sir, the family registered card is allowed. Sir, the government housing card is allowed. The health card is allowed. The bank books means whatever caste certificate is allowed. Only they targeted Bengal on the eve of election. Sir, 4 state opposition state are going for on the eve of election. But why after 24 years, what was the hurry to do it? What it takes 2 years, only within 3 months, even when the festival season is there, when the harvesting season is there, when people are not in a mood to be in the city, they were in the outside, but they are traveling, and that time they issued the notices and all this. Sir, more than 100 people died, sir. Can you imagine? Sir, BLOs died, and they have written the letter that CEO is responsible for my committing suicide. So many BLOs are murdered, they died, and also more than 150 people died, and so many are hospitalized. Sir, because of the harassment of the people,
Unless it is there,
because of Bengal is targeted, sir.
fine.
Sir, you tell me why not Assam? Sir, why not Assam?
The state government, we cried foul, saying that
Why not Assam?
in cooperation. They say
Why not
it is
Northeastern?
fine.
No, sir. What happens, sir, ultimately, in practical, ERO has no power now. They have They have superseded all the power from DO, ERO, BLRO. Only they have appointed 8,300 micro observer and the role observer from the BJP ruled state, so that DO cannot clear the name. It is all micro observer can delete all the names sitting inside the election commission office through AI. Sir, earlier 58 lakhs are being deleted. Even they were not allowed to file Form 6. Sir, earlier first phase, 58 lakhs deleted. There are so many people are alive, and now they are being declared by that their death. Sir, the anti-women, so many women.
Madam Mamta, if need arises, we will mandate it, we will direct. Every document will have to be signed by the BLO, who are the authorized officers and who are the authorized notified officers.
Kindly see the
And-
directions in the website, Millers,
Don't
so
think
far as
that
the so-called
election-
micro observer.
Micro observer is the final authority. Election commission, WhatsApp
Not-
commission.
Complete away
WhatsApp
from-
commission is saying
Have a look at
it is only the micro observer. Only they are deleting all the names.
Something, Millers, they could
These-
certificate on record. except-
May I just take you back?
They are all government of India officials.
My lord,
They are-
even
My lord, in one of the matters, government is a party. Lord, let,
But the problem is that they are not allowing the people.
let the matter
They are not allowing the
legal domain
state officials.
possibly for most of the
They
submission.
are not allowing the domicile certificate.
So day after,
They are not
Yeah.
allowing the government certificate.
Madam Mamta, if need arises, we will mandate it, we will direct. Every document will have to be signed by the BLO, who are the authorized officers and who are the authorized notified officers.
kindly see the
And-
directions in the website, Millers,
Don't
so
think
far as
that
the so-called
election-
micro observer.
Micro observer is the final authority. Election commission, WhatsApp
Not-
commission.
complete away
WhatsApp
from-
commission is saying
Have a look
it
at-
is only the micro observer. Only they are deleting all the names.
Something, Millers,